गाइस, आई एम एडवोकेट काव्या जबर और आज जिस बारे में हम लोग डिस्कस करने वाले हैं दैट इज अ वेरी ओल्ड यट अ वेरी एम्पावरिंग स्टोरी ऑफ अ वुमेन नेम्ड नांगली। सो ये स्टोरी जो नांगली की स्टोरी है वो अभी काफी इन न्यूज है बिकॉज रिसेंटली द प्रेजेंट CJI जस्टिस चंद्रचूड हैज मेंशन्ड इट इन वन ऑफ हिज लेक्चर्स regarding the sacrifice the women made and connected law to morals. So let us know what the story was about and how it stands today. So Nangali was a woman who used to live in some of the natives of Indian state during the this is a story which relates back to 1800s. So इस स्टोरी का जो कंटेक्स्ट है दैट रिलेट्स टू द क्रुअल्टी एंड डिस्क्रिमिनेशन which has been faced in fact by the women since time immemorial. During 1800s, the women of the lower class, especially the Dalit women, were not allowed to cover their breasts. So what was the standardized dress which they used to wear was something just above the stomach was not allowed. They used to wear only something which was below the stomach. So stomach के ऊपर वाला part और rather waist के ऊपर वाला part they have to keep open because there was a norm that only the upper class women were allowed to cover their breast and the lower class women like Dalits were not allowed to cover their breast. So this was a form of discrimination practiced on the women to bifurcate who belongs to which class. So Nangli was a Dalit woman who was not ready to be subjected to such form of discrimination and to pay heavy taxes only because of the fact that they desire to cover their breasts, which is the basic human right. And this led her to protest against this thing, but then owing to the fact that Raja log nahi mane, what led her to do was to chop off her breast and do such a cruel act to stand against such a form of indiscrimination practiced in the society. Her revolt, her sacrifice, her efforts made the Raja of that time to take away the text called breast tax. Though this has not been published anywhere, though the history has been silent on this part, there are reports, there are very few authenticate reports which state that such women was there and such thing was eventually practiced by the women named Nangali. And the whole area, presently today, the people who live in that area worship the women, especially the women of those area, because the efforts that were taken by Nangali during the 1800s led them to free from the so-called discrimination being practiced on them. So ये जो नांगली की स्टोरी है वो ये बताती है कि women have been tortured since time immemorial, no matter what. चाहे आप 1800s में हैं, चाहे आप 1700s में हैं, एंड द बिगेस्ट आयरनी इज वो सब चीजें रिपोर्टेड भी नहीं है. देयर आर ओनली फ्यू सोर्सेज विच रिवील कि ऐसा कुछ हुआ था. नाउ दिस इज नॉट समथिंग न्यू. विमेन टुडे ऑल्सो आर सब्जेक्टेड टू लॉट ऑफ टॉर्चर इन डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. हम लोग अपने राइट्स के लिए वी हैव बीन फाइटिंग सिंस टाइम इमेमोरियल एंड इवन टुडे हमें वो ओहदा, हमें वो दर्जा नहीं मिला है द वे वी वांट. हमें हर चीज के लिए फाइट करना पड़ता है. वी हैव टू फाइट फॉर आवर राइट्स, वी हैव टू फाइट फॉर आवर बेसिक एजुकेशनल राइट्स, लेट अलोन अदर राइट्स. सो येस, वी हैव evolved a long time. We have evolved from the story of Nangali to story of today, where we have female judges at the Supreme Court, at the highest court of India. So yes, we have definitely evolved, but we need to do much more. So women out there, be confident, be sure what you want to do what your heart wants, go ahead in life, march towards your success. Let no one tell you what you should do and what you should not do. You are the decider of your own self. You are your own healer, you are your own decider. So do whatever you want to do what makes you happy. Jai Hind, take care.